Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you how to lock the screen on Vivo phones which is running on Funtouch OS 13. To keep the screen locked, what you need to do is you need to open settings on your phone. Under settings you need to scroll down and you have this option security. Click on that. Under security you have this option device security. Under that you have this option screen lock. Click on that. If you want to set the screen lock, you can set either pattern, pin or complex password. I always keep pattern on my phones. You can set even password also. Draw any pattern of your choice. For demonstration purpose I am entering normal pattern. Click on next and enter the same pattern and click on confirm. Now you will get three options: show all notification content, show sensitive content only, or don't show notifications at all. Select any one of this option and click on done. Now lock the phone. Now try to unlock it. Swipe up. When you swipe up, it is asking to enter the pattern. Since we have kept pattern, if you have kept any password, it will ask you to enter the password. Since I have kept pattern, it has asked me pattern. If you want, you can set fingerprint scanner and face unlock to unlock your phone. Let's keep fingerprint. For that you need to enter the pattern, that is on Vivo T2X the fingerprint scanner is placed on the right side. Click on start enrollment and accept the terms and conditions and place your finger. Click on done. Now the fingerprint scanner has been set. Now let's lock the phone. To unlock, simply place your thumb on the fingerprint scanner. Here you can see that it has unlocked. Similarly you can set face unlock also. Under security itself, below fingerprint you have the face option. Click on that and enter the password. For in my case it's pattern, and click on start enrollment. Accept the terms and conditions. Click on agree. Here you can see the message enrollment complete. Click on OK. Now lock the phone. Here you can see that face recognition successful. Swipe up to enter. So that's it guys. In this way you can set lock screen to your Vivo phones, and also you can set fingerprint scanner and facial recognition to your Vivo phones which is running on Funtouch OS. Hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.